Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the literature portion in which we were discussing the chapter number 3. In this chapter I have completed the detailed explanation of this chapter, as well as I have also completed the learning words and word meaning of this chapter. Dear students, today we will discuss the question answer of this chapter. So everyone open your notebook. I hope that you all have written the word meaning, and today we will complete the question answer of this chapter. Okay, just open the book also. Questions are given at the page number 26. Okay students, just open the book and open the notebook also. Okay, in the question answer, first question is given: name the two brothers who were anxious about the gift that their father would bring for them. Here you have to tell the name of two brothers who were very much anxious about the gift that their father would bring. Dear students, we all know the name of these two boys. What are the name? Orville and Wilbur. Okay, those who invented the aeroplane. So, just see here. Write down the question from the book. I will write the answer only here. It is exercise first, and I will write only answer. You will write the question from your book. Okay. Answer number first I am going to write. Okay, what was the question I have told you? The name of two brothers. The name of two brothers were Orville and Wilbur. So just write down the name of two brothers. Okay, just see. Just write down the answer: Orville and or you can say Orville Wright. You write the complete name: Orville Wright. Okay, Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright and Wilbur. Orville Wright and Wilbur. Dear students, in the Wilbur there will be W. Okay, W-I-L-B-U-R. Wilbur Wright. W-R-I-G-H-T. Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright were the two brothers. Were the two brothers who were anxious about the gift that their father would bring, for them. Okay students, this is the answer. You just write down. Here you have to tell the only name, and rest of the words are given in your question. Okay, so just write down Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright. These two names we have to learn. Okay, the name of the two brothers were Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright, who were very much anxious about the gift that their father would bring for them. Okay students, so write down the answer. First answer: Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright were the two brothers who were anxious about the gift that their father would bring for them. Okay students, this is the answer of question number first A. Okay. So after completing this, you will write the next question. Write down the next question after completing this answer. The next question is, where did the two brothers work for long 10 years and what did they learn? Dear students, they worked for 10 years in the printing press. Okay, that their father owned, and they learned there so many things related to machines and tools. Okay. So after writing this question, you write the question number B. I will give you the answer in systematic order. So write down the question number second B. Question number B. I am going to erase this answer. Okay. Write down the question number B. Just see the question number B. Question is, where did the two brothers work for the long 10 years and what did they learn? Write down the answer. The two brothers worked. This is the answer number B. The two brothers worked for long 10 years at the printing press. Printing press. That their father owned. And learned a lot about machines. Machines. Okay, students, this is the answer. Okay, students, just write down this answer. The two brothers worked for long 10 years at the printing press that their father owned and learned a lot about machines. Okay, students, this is the answer of question number B. And what was the question? Where did they work for the long 10 years? And they worked for long 10 years at the printing press that their father owned. And what they learned there? They learned a lot about machines. Okay, students, so this is the answer of the question number B. Write down it, and after completing this answer, you will write the question number C, which is given in your book. Question number C. After completing this, write down the question number C. Okay, students, come to the question number C. What is the question number C? What dream did the brothers have in their mind? What the dreams? What was the dream of these two brothers? The dream of making an aeroplane. This was the dream of both brothers, of the two brothers, Orville and Wilbur. Okay, students, what was the dream? The dream of making an aeroplane. This is the answer. Okay, first write down the question. What dream did the brothers have in their mind? This is the question. Write down from the book, which is given at the page number 26. So write down the question number C. I will write the answer only. Okay? The two brothers, had the dream of building an aeroplane someday. This was the dream. Okay? So dear student, this is the answer of question number C. The brothers had the dream of building an aeroplane someday. They wanted to make an aeroplane. Okay? This was the dream of these two brothers, Orville and Wilbur. Okay students, so just write down these answer, and after that write down the question number D. How did people congratulate the two brothers when they returned from the Kitty Hawk? Dear students, we have read in the story that when they returned from the Kitty Hawk, people were gathered at the station and they decorated the roads with balloons, flags, banners, and the bells also rang out in all churches. Okay, and they were also given the 30 gun salutes. So in this way, they were welcomed by the people of America when they returned from the Kitty Hawk after experiment. Okay students, so this is the answer. Okay, so first of all, you complete the question answer number C. Then after write down the question number D from the book that is given. How did the people congratulate the two brothers when they returned from the Kitty Hawk? This is the question. You write the question from book. I will write the answer on the board, from where you will write the answer. Okay. So I am going to erase the answer number. I am going to erase this answer. I hope that you all have written up to question number C. Now we will do the answer. We will complete the answer. Answer number D. That is a very long. Okay. Question you write from the book. I will write the answer. Answer number D. Okay, just see here. When the two brothers came back, when the two brothers came back to Dayton, from Kitty Hawk, Okay student, the Kitty Hawk is the name of a place. Okay, came back to Dayton from Kitty Hawk, comma, there was a large crowd, there was a large crowd to welcome them. At the station. Okay, there was a large crowd to welcome them at the station. And there are so many things, so I will erase this answer also. Answer number C. At the station, the streets were decorated with balloons, BALLOO and S, with balloons, comma, banners, and flags, FLAGS. Bells rang out, full stop there. Then after write down, bells rang out from every church, in Dayton, and they were given a 30 gun salute. Okay, students, so this is the answer. Just write down. This is the answer of question number D. What was the question number D? How did people congratulate two brothers when they returned from the Kitty Hawk? Dear student, this is the answer. When the two brothers came back to the Dayton from Kitty Hawk, there was a large crowd to welcome them at the station. The streets were decorated with the balloons, banners, and flags. Bells rang out from every church in Dayton, and they were given a 30-gun salute. In this way, they were welcomed by the people of America. Okay, students, so this is the answer, question answer. This is all about the question answer. So in this way, we have completed the question answer of this chapter. Now we will discuss the true false. Okay, students, so just open the book. After completing this answer, you will open the book. Now we will do the exercises given in the book with the help of pencil. There is no need to write in the notebook. Okay, in the notebook you will write only word meaning, okay, from the book, and question answer, okay, from here. Now just open the book. I am going to erase this answer. I hope that you all have written. So first of all, we will discuss the what? True false. Come to the question number 2 and put out the pencil. You will fill here only. State if the following sentences are true or false. First question: Father brought an aircraft for Orville and Wilbur as a gift. No, they brought glider, not aircraft. Okay, so this is a false answer. So in the question number 2, A, you will write the false, F-A-L-S-E. Okay, just fill the false in the box. Question number B: the flight of the toy glider was an important event in the life brothers. Yes, the flight of the toy glider was an important event in the life of both brothers. Yes, this was the true. So question number B, that is true. Just fill here true. Okay, and turn the page which is given at the page number 27. Question number C. A large crowd gathered to welcome the brothers on their arrival at Dayton. Yes, there were large crowd to welcome both brothers. Okay, so this is true. Answer number C is true. TRUE. Okay, I'm going to erase this answer completely because I hope that you all have written. Just see answer number D. What is the answer number D? Question number D. Both Wilbur and Orville love to work with the machine and tools. Yes, both used to love with machine and tools. So that is true. Okay, students. So just fill here true. Okay, students. In the true false, question number A is false, and question number B is true. Question number C is true, and question number D is also true. Now we will discuss the exercise number 3rd. Okay, that is what? That is filling the blanks. Just see here, complete the sentences with the words from the lesson. You have to complete the sentence. There are blanks you have to fill. Wilbur and Orville's father owned a, what owned a printing press. Okay, printing press. So in the first question you will fill the printing press. PRINTING, printing press. PRESS. Okay. Next, question number B. They worked at the printing press and learnt a lot about what? They learnt a lot about machines. So here you will fill the machines. Okay. Question number C. Wilbur was how many years older than Orville? 4 years. So you will fill here 4. Question number D. They made their first glider and took it to the where? Kitty Hawk in the North Carolina. Kitty Hawk. K will be capital. Okay, because this is proper noun. Kitty Hawk. Okay, students. So just fill it. In the question number 3rd A, you will fill the printing press. This is the filling the blanks. In this question number A, you will fill printing press. Question number B, you will fill machines. In the question number C, you will fill 4. In the question number D, you will fill Kitty Hawk. Okay, students. Now come to the optional question. It is multiple choice question. That is exercise number 4. Pick the correct option. Okay, students. There are also 4 questions and there are also 4 options. You have to select only one option. So first question we will see. When Orville was 20, just see. When Orville was 20, both brothers opened a what? Cycle shop. They opened a cycle shop. So here option is given printing press. No, they did not open the printing press. Garage? No. Cycle shop? Yes. Workshop? No. So option number 3 is the correct option. Question number 4A, option number 3. What is the option number 3? Cycle shop. Cycle. Okay. CYCLESHOP. Okay, student. This answer is the correct. You will tick here. Question number B. Just see. The brothers thought a dream. The dream of making an what? What was the dream? Making an engine? No. Making an airlines? No. Making an aeroplane? Yes, this is the correct answer. Making an instrument? No. So the option number 3 here in the question number B, option number 3, what was the dream? Aeroplane. AEROPLANE. This option is the correct option. You will tick here. Okay. Question number C. Kitty Hawk had long stretches of sand dunes and was an ideal place to try out what? Try out the gliders. In the beginning, they tried out the gliders. Gliders is the correct answer. Obstacle, no, that is not correct. Press, no. Aeroplane, no. So glider is the correct option here. Okay. So you just tick in front of the glider, the box given. Okay, students. Question number D. Now just see the question number D. The meat changes in engine, then in the glider, then again in the aeroplane? No. Glider? No. Jet? No. Engines. Okay. So fourth option is the correct. Engine. E-N-G-I-N-E. Okay. The option number 4 is the correct option. You will tick on that. Okay, students. So in the question number 4, the option 4A, option number C, cycle shop is the correct. In the question number 4B, option number 3, aeroplane is the correct option. In the question number 4C, option number 1st, glider is the correct option. In the question number 4D, option number 4, engine is the correct option. Okay, students. So in this way, today we have completed all the exercises and question answer, word meaning of this chapter number 3, that is the invention of aeroplane. Okay, students. So this is all about this chapter. In the next class, we will discuss some new thing. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.